When it comes to seeing success online, there are literally thousands of things you can do. I mean, literally look around the internet, around YouTube, here around JVZoo. You can read blogs, YouTube. There are literally hundreds of different ideas. Some of them pretty awesome and some of them really quite obscure. But here at JVZoo, we know from years of experience that one of the best ways to make dependable, great income online is actually to create and launch your own digital products. You see, the digital space is booming. The e-learning business is larger than ever before. Billions of dollars are being spent annually on e-learning products. People are always looking for smart solutions, and right now, creating your own digital product is going to be an incredible way to get results. Hey, what's going on? Dan here with your JVZoo team. And today we're incredibly excited to get to tell you all about eLearn Empire. Now, this program is going to show anybody step by step exactly how to create a digital product. Now, the product creator, Brett Ingram, is one of our top rated sellers here on JVZoo, and he's also a top affiliate. And I'm going to explain to you in just a moment how selling your own digital products allows you to actually make way more money than just selling the actual product that you create. Now, creating a digital product doesn't need to be complicated. It doesn't need to be difficult. And in fact, in this package, you're going to get a software solution that's going to enable you to make really awesome video content that you can actually use as training material as part of your course. Now, remember me telling you that you can make way more than just selling this digital product. In fact, here at JVZoo, we've been doing this for years. You see, you create a digital product, you launch it here on our platform, and by the way, it's free to launch a product here. And we're going to have an army of affiliates that you're going to be able to recruit who can promote your product, send you leads, send you sales. And then with those leads, with those sales, those customers, you can then nurture them. And you can actually then take them and promote any of our other affiliate products here at JVZoo. And there is a lot of content. Now, whether or not you are looking for something in the video niche, maybe a software, maybe some sort of training program or a PLR content, you can be sure to find great quality products here at JVZoo. And now you've got these new customers, you're actually going to be able to promote these products, email them, send them notifications, etc., and then sell other products and earn yourself a commission. Now, that is what the top users here at JVZoo do, and this program is going to give you everything you need to join these guys. Now, full information, of course, is down below this video. Check it all out, but this is what we call a no-brain offer. Learn exactly how to get the most out of JVZoo, create a digital product, create a really awesome video course that's going to get people to love your stuff, subscribe to your list, make you sales, and then take those leads and promote other products across the JVZoo network. So drop down below, grab your account. There's no monthly fees, no recurring, none of that. You can get straight into the good stuff, create your product, and just think, where might you be in a few months from now if you follow this training, act on the work, and actually create your very first digital product?